Good evening. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com. Today is Sunday, July 21st, 2013, and it is about 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Today we will be talking about the Aussie dollar currency pair, trade idea, and bias for the week of July 22nd through the 26th, 2013. The Aussie dollar can potentially be the trade of the quarter. Not only the trade of the week, but yes, the trade of the quarter, because it has a huge potential to the downside. So it can basically be our summer trade as well. Medium and long term, we are short biased. It was last week's favorite trade as well. Our trade never triggered the short entry. It will remain on our radar this week again and will be our favorite trade of the week. The weak technical chart pattern on the 1-hour chart might offer an aggressive entry that can potentially be the entry for a core trade. Short-term traders can look to short any rally that can occur, and medium and long-term traders can look to hold for larger targets to the downside once the trade triggers. And as an initial entry, we're looking at the focal area of 0.9135. This is a support area that was set last Thursday on July 18th, 2013. We are short, so for short-term traders, look to initiate the trade in this location and place a stop above the 9234, above the blue line area. That is resistance that was set on Friday, July 19th, 2013. And long-term traders can look for a stop above the 0.9300 area. That is the daily area of resistance. On the weekly chart, and we're going to revisit the weekly chart as well, we see that this currency pair has a wide tradable void to the next support levels. Our strategy is to initiate an entry below the hourly support area of 9135, and I'm just going to revisit this area again. So this is the pivot low, the swing low that we're looking for an entry at. And for short-term traders, we're looking for a stop in this location, 0.9235. And for medium and long-term traders, we're looking for a stop above 0.9300. Let's take a look now at potential target areas. And for this, we're going to revisit the weekly chart. We have congestion. We have some congestion area at the level of 8900 marked with a purple line. So all these purple lines on the chart represent target areas. The first three target areas are for short and medium term. And the last purple line into the 8300 level represents the long term. So the trade of the summer target area. So let's recap. First target is set as 0.8900. The second target is 0.8800. And our third target is 0.8700. And for a core target, our final target is 0.8300. So let's go back to the hourly chart. Just to make sure that everybody understands our strategy, this is a breakdown strategy of support of 0.9135, and short-term traders are going to look for a stop above 9235 area. Again, just to recap, long-term traders and medium-term traders are going to look for 9300 area as a target area. So we're going to risk, for short-term traders, we're going to risk 200 pips in this trade. So for target 1, we're looking at a reward of 235 pips. For target 2, we're looking at a reward of 335 pips. And for target 3, we're looking at a reward of 365 pips. For target 4, and this is a quarterly target that we're looking at, we're looking to have a profit, a reward of 835 pips. Please note that for entries, we watch the price action at the time of the trigger, and we always enter a couple of pips above the entry price area for triggers and longs, and a couple of pips below for shorts, and for stop losses the same. For more updates and more daily trade ideas, please follow us on YouTube, and make sure you like our Facebook page. It's facebook.com/tradeoutloud. Thank you for tuning in for our trade idea of the week. See you soon.